Today, we're taking a look at Blackmagic Intense Graphene Tire Shine, featuring what's called Graphene Armor Nano Technology. This is part one of a two-part review. In this video, I'll walk you through the application process, check for any sling, and share my initial thoughts. According to the instructions, you're supposed to spray directly onto clean tires, wait 2 to 3 minutes, and wipe away any overspray. But if you've watched my previous videos, you already know I'm not a fan of spraying tire shine directly on the sidewall, especially solvent-based products like this one. They're oilier, they can get messy, and you risk getting it all over the wheels, the garage floor, and your hands. Before I apply anything, I always weigh the bottle. That way I can calculate exactly how much product I'm using. Right now, we're starting at 1.02 pounds. Remember that number? We'll circle back to it later. Instead of spraying directly, I recommend using an applicator pad. It gives you way more control and helps you lay down an even coat. I usually start with just 3 sprays and add more only if needed. Let's fast forward through this part while I work the product into the tire. One benefit of using an applicator is you end up using less product, and that means savings over time. After just 6 sprays, I got full, even coverage. The bottle now weighs 1.01 pounds. That means I used exactly 0.01 pounds of tire shine, which works out to around 16 cents worth of product. It's been about 30 minutes, and I just got back from a short drive around the neighborhood, hitting speeds up to 50 miles an hour. No sling, no streaks, and the shine stayed consistent. The product has a mild scent, noticeable but not overpowering. And visually, there's a deep, glossy finish, a clear contrast compared to the control section where no tire shine was applied. So far, my first impressions of Blackmagic Intense Graphene Tire Shine are very positive. It applies easily, spreads evenly, and more importantly, it stays on. No sling, even at relatively high speeds. I'll continue monitoring how it holds up over the next several days and weeks, so stay tuned for part 2, where I'll dive into long-term durability and overall performance. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.